Alright, hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another AliExpress haul. This time I actually have kind of like a wide array of items that I have purchased. So we will start off with my usual purchases. I got this Valentine's lovey type, ephemera. So it's got like X's and O's and little pineapples, little sayings like shine bright like a diamond, love, love, best friends, I love you more. So I think it's like a mix of like different crepe paper ephemera is what I believe it is. So I got that. Then I got this, wow, mind blank. Sorry guys, I have been so sick all week, and so my brain is still so foggy. Memory Dex die with these awesome little word bubble dies that come in the middle. And this is super cute, guys. It's got this heart, border going around it with this little heart in the middle. So cute. I have yet to use this one, but I have a Memory Dex swap coming up, so I will probably be implementing that. Then I got this adorable stamp set. It's in Spanish. Awesome girl down here. We got scrap room here. No he pasado un huracán. Es mi mesa de trabajo. So it means no, there has been a hurricane. It's just my craft table. No me llegan las horas del día. Un poquito más y termino. No me de la vida. Aún no he terminado uno. Ya estoy pensando en el siguiente. So super, super cute there. Then I got these cute border dies from no, these didn't come from AliExpress. These came from KS Crafts. And these range in, where's my 1-inch die here? From, what is that, 4 3/4 inches by 3.5 inches down to 2 by 1. And these are just like super cute zigzaggy wavy rectangles. Oh, here we go. Here's a stamp that I was coloring from this stamp set, and I put the no he pasado un huracán, es mi mesa de trabajo at the top here because yeah, all of our craft rooms generally look like a hurricane has passed through. I would have to say. And then here is a card I did for a Simon Says Stamp challenge where I used these dies for the background. And then I used the or the Elena Craft number dies for 10th because of their celebration of their 10th anniversary. So did that. Then I have this stamp set here that's all about friends. It says things like friendship isn't a big thing, it's a million little things. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. Life is better with friends. There's nothing better than a friend unless it's a friend with chocolate, which is completely the truth. I get butterflies just thinking of you. You can't be sad when you're holding a cupcake. Again, the truth. And then it's got these cute little like diamonds, hearts, and little circle stamps to go with it. Okay, so that's all like my normal purchases. And then I also picked up a bunch of different corners for books. So like here is the little like book I'm working on right now, and I took these, got 2 packs of these, and I popped them onto the corners. If anybody can let me know what is the best way to do your corners when you're making a book like this, please leave a comment down below. Like, it'll be such a big help. I tried pinching the ends in here and then just gluing them down, but I still feel like it's popping up and it doesn't look as nice as this side does. So any help there would be greatly, greatly appreciated. But like I said, I got 2 packs of these. So I got these ones. I got these coppery brass ones that, let me open them up here. So that looks like that. They're pretty big. These are, oops, what, and 1 1/4 inches, and then it's got a very wide here, so you could put this on a lot of things. I got these gold ones, which are a little smaller. These are about 3/4 of an inch. Yeah, just under an inch. 15/16 it looks like. So I guess it's probably better for me to hold it this way so you guys can see. I've got to get better at that. I'm really bad about holding everything flat so that you guys can see it perfectly. So please yell at me if I forget to do that. And then I got these really, really adorable little ones here that don't even have anything to like pinch. So these ones look like I'm probably going to have to glue them when I use them. And these are just under 3/4 of an inch. I love these ones. Look at the design in that. That is so cute. All right, so there's all of those. And then I picked up a bunch of micro beads. So I got them in this light, like, I don't know, grass green almost, then a teal, purple, and like a rose gold. And then I got some white, like, I think they're called like bubble beads. So they're a little bit bigger than the micro beads. I don't know how well you can see that. And I don't really want to open these up because the micro beads bounce all over the place, but in comparison there. So there's those. And then as usual, I will have links for everything that I have purchased down below in the description box. So please do not forget to check that out. And then last but not least, and let me make sure, yeah, last but not least, I picked up this unicorn sequins. So I don't know how well you're seeing it in the video, but it's like, it looks white, but it's super iridescent. So then it turns like very, very bright, like pretty pink. So I'm super excited to use this in some upcoming cards. Yeah, so that is everything that I have picked up from AliExpress in the last week or two. I actually just put in another order. I have got so many issues when it comes to AliExpress, guys. So those things will probably start showing up here in the next couple of weeks. And then once those things arrive, I'll do another haul video for you guys. Until next time, have a great rest of your day. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends about me. If you haven't already, please hit the little bell to get notifications upon when I post. And I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.